Alright guys, which one of these subcompacts is the best? On the right, of course, we have the 43X. On the left, we have the FN509C Tactical. That's why it has the long threaded barrel. But you guys can kind of see here for a little bit of a size comparison that the 43X is a pretty darn slim pistol. Now it is just a scotch longer, and that is kind of the territory because this is a 43X. It is a little bit longer. It's actually the same length as a Glock 19, but of course much thinner, and of course being single stack. So that is the 43X. Of course, over here we have the 509 Tactical, and this one, like I said, being a tactical, it's a little bit more built up with the threaded barrel and the red dot on it. But which one of these would you go for? I think for me, 43X is very compelling with a shield arms magazine that bumps its capacity up.